Hello and welcome to the very first episode of How to Learn English. Today is not just any ordinary day. Today is the day you decided to change your future by learning English, the most powerful language in the modern world. In this episode, we will talk about three big things. 1, why learning English is not just useful, but necessary. 2, the common mistakes most people make when learning English. 3, and most importantly, how you should learn it step by step. By the end of this episode, you'll not only feel inspired, but you'll also have a clear roadmap for your learning journey. So sit back, relax, and listen with your heart. Section 1, why learn English? Let's ask the most important question first. Why do you need to learn English? Let's break this down into simple reasons. Reason 1, global communication. English is spoken by over 1.5 billion people across the world. It is the international language of business, technology, science, education, and the internet. Think about this. If you speak English, you can talk to people from almost any country. You can travel with confidence, make international friends, and join a global community. Reason 2, career and education. Most top universities like Oxford, Harvard, or Cambridge use English. Many international companies demand that their employees know English. If you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or job interviews abroad, English is the key. Just imagine getting your dream job in a foreign company, only because you could speak English confidently. Reason 3, learning anything online. Go to YouTube, Google, or any online course platform. Most of the best content is in English. Want to learn computer programming, photography, cooking, or even meditation? It's all in English. If you know English, the internet becomes your school and the world becomes your classroom. Reason 4, personal growth. Learning a new language is not just about communication. It's about confidence, creativity, and discipline. It makes your brain stronger, your thinking clearer, and your world bigger. So ask yourself, do I want to grow? Do I want more from life? If the answer is yes, then English is a tool you must master. Section 2, mistakes most learners make. Let's now look at what most people do wrong when trying to learn English. Mistake 1, only studying grammar, not using it. Many learners read grammar books for years, but still can't speak one full sentence. Why? Because they never practice. Grammar is important, but it's just a tool. You have to use it to build real communication. Mistake 2, being afraid to make mistakes. I can't speak well. What if people laugh at me? I will speak when I'm perfect. This mindset kills progress. Remember, children make mistakes all the time, but they learn faster than adults. Don't be afraid. Be proud that you're trying. Mistake 3, memorizing random vocabulary. Learning 100 new words a day sounds impressive, but if you never use them, you'll forget them. Instead, learn 5 to 10 useful words daily and use them in sentences. Mistake 4, no clear goal or plan. If you don't know why you're learning and you don't have a plan, you'll give up. Just like going to the gym without a workout plan, you'll waste time. Section 3, how should you learn English? Now let's talk about what you really need. A simple, powerful learning strategy. Here's what I recommend. Step 1, define your goal. Be specific. Don't say, I want to learn English. Say, I want to speak fluently in 6 months. I want to pass the IELTS exam with band 7. I want to speak to foreign customers at my job. Your goal is your fuel. It keeps you going. Step 2, focus on 4 core skills. Learning English means building 4 muscles. 1, listening. Understand English when others speak. 2, speaking. Express your thoughts clearly. 3, reading. Understand texts, emails, messages. 4, writing. Express yourself in writing, emails, essays, posts. In every episode of this course, we will work on all 4 together. Step 3, make a daily routine. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week. Try this simple daily plan. 5 mins, listen to English, podcast or video. 5 mins, read aloud from a book. 5 mins, write 3 sentences about your day. 5 mins, talk to yourself in English. That's 20 minutes. You can do this! Step 4, practice theory. Don't just read. Don't just watch. Speak, write, repeat, make mistakes, learn. Use your phone to record yourself. Practice in front of a mirror. Speak to your friends. Use English even if it's not perfect. Step 5. Stay positive and never quit. You will have bad days, you will feel stuck, but every single word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and trust the process. Hamish Section 4, what this course will teach you. Here's what you will learn in the next 30 episodes. Correct pronunciation, essential vocabulary, grammar that actually helps you speak, how to speak confidently, real-life conversation practice, tips to overcome fear, how to think in English, writing practice, and much more. This course is designed for you, even if you've never learned English before. Task Section 5, your homework for today. Task 1, write your goal. Open your notebook and write, why do I want to learn English? Be honest, write at least 5 sentences. Task 2, make a study plan. Decide, what time of day will you study English? Where will you study? How long will you study? Task 3, daily affirmation. Say this sentence loudly 10 times. I can speak English. I will learn English. I believe in myself. Say it in the morning. Say it before bed. Make it your mantra. You've taken the first and most important step, starting. There are millions of people who wish they could speak English, but only a few take action. Today, you became one of those few. And I promise, if you stay with this course, do the homework, and never give up, you will succeed. If you found this helpful, please like this video, comment below, what is your goal for learning English? Subscribe so you don't miss any lessons, and share this with your friends or family who want to learn English too. Thank you so much for watching. See you in episode 2, where we start with the English alphabet and pronunciation, the building blocks of your English journey. Take care, stay motivated, and always believe in yourself.